So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer DoorDash credits to a bank. So starting off, you won't be able to transfer a customer DoorDash promotional or refund credits to a bank account. So DoorDash credits are just a closed loop system meant only for food, goods, and services that are purchased within the DoorDash app. But if you meant your Dasher delivery earnings, so these are a type of credits that you can earn through the Dasher system or DoorDash Dasher system as it's called. You can get through there. So once you are approved, you started dashing, you can find it within here, and then you will need to go to your payout info and activate your bank card that you own. So just add that 16-digit card number or some other way that you want to be paid out. So your credits in this case are going to be your earnings within the Dasher app, and they're automatically going to be transferred to your bank once your deliveries are done, and then you can usually be automatically paid out to that card once they're ready. So these are a couple different things. So you can get a sense of how it works. So usually it's on a certain day of the week. So it says here weekly direct deposit, free automatic transfer every Monday to your bank account. Funds arrive by Wednesday. So you don't have to check it every Monday. Just wait until Wednesday if your funds have arrived. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.